Rosemary, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 steps on how to get more views on YouTube. Getting more views on YouTube, everyone knows, is very important because that gives you more watch time, that gives you more click-through rate, that just help your channel grow. So I'm going to be talking to you guys on 5 ways on how to get more YouTube views on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's dive into the first step on how to get more views on YouTube. Is choose a keyword phrase. Choosing a keyword phrase, I think, is very important because knowing a keyword phrase is very popular or is trending is very important because that means it's already proven that people are watching that video, people are searching for that video, and it just help you get more views, even probably get more subscribers. So choosing a keyword phrase is very important, and ways you can choose where you can find a good keyword phrase is go to a very popular video on your niche. Find a very popular video on your niche and see what keyword phrase they're using, and the way you can do that is just go to their video, check for their most popular videos, see the keyword phrase they're using, and you just creating a better video than what they have already, but using the same keyword phrase, which means the keyword phrase has been proven that it's doing very well. People are watching that video, people are searching for that video, and you just making your own video, creating your own video with that keyword phrase. I think it's very important. And I want to tell you guys, one thing you need to look out for is it's good to appear in YouTube search. Most importantly, it's very good to appear in suggested video. Suggested video is one good way to grow your video to get more views. And the goal is when you're looking for a keyword phrase, try as much as possible to appear in suggested video. That means if you find a keyword phrase and you use that keyword phrase, you want to be able to appear in a very popular video about that same topic, but like you want to be suggested alongside with their videos. It's very important because that means I feel like most of the views that I've gotten is from suggested videos. So my video is being suggested on other people's video, my video is being suggested on my own video, and that helps me get more views. So when people watch one of my video, they get to watch another of my video. Or when people are watching other people's video and my video appear in the suggested feed, they get to click my video and watch my video, and that gave me more views. So getting more views, I think suggested video is a very good way to get more views, and you can use your keyword. You choosing a good keyword phrase could help you appear in suggested video, and you can that could help you get more views. So your goal at the end of the day, when you're choosing a keyword phrase, try to as much as possible to appear in suggested video. It's good to appear in YouTube search, like I said, but most especially most of your views are going to be coming from suggested video. So choosing a very keyword phrase, I think, is very important. And the second one is going to be, what does the viewers want? So when you're making videos, it's good to ask your subscribers what video they want to see next, and that makes you make that video. Because if they tell you videos they want to see next, that means if you make that video, they're probably going to watch it. And if you don't have an audience or you don't have a large audience yet, what I'm going to recommend is go to a very popular video in your niche, of popular YouTuber on your niche, watch their videos and see what people are commenting under their video, because most of the time their subscribers are going to tell them what video they want to see next, and that's where you can get your videos ideas. That's where I guess some of my YouTube videos ideas, when I watch other people's video, I read their comment section and I see what people want them to do, and that has really helped me have an idea on what video to do next. Because when I make a video on what the subscribers are asking for, that helps them to watch my video and probably subscribe. But that's a good way to knowing what the viewers want and making that video for them. I think it's very important. So knowing what the viewers want and making that same video for them, I think is very important. And ways to do that is go to your popular niche and see what videos they're making, and just try to see what video they're making and see what their subscribers are asking for, and just make the same video. And I think it's going to give you a lot of views. And the third one is going to be optimize your video. Optimizing your video is very important, and it's just one of the best ways to get more views on YouTube. When you optimize your titles, you optimize your description, you optimize your tags. Optimizing your video, I can tell you, is very, very, very important, and it's very good. Like, for you to optimize your video, I don't think it's a very hard thing to do. All you have to do, like I said before, is go to a popular video on your niche, see how they put their subscription, and see how they tie to the same topic. You have a keyword phrase already, see how they write their titles, see their description, see how they incorporate their keyword phrase in their titles, and see the tags they use. That could literally makes you know what to do. And tools you can use to be able to know what tags they use I use vidIQ. It's a free YouTube search engine, and also use to body. So those ones help me know what tags they're using, and I just get to use few of their tags because the tag has been proven to be working for them, and I just take their tags and see how they put their description, like how they incorporate that keyword in that description, and I just do the same thing, and that has helped me so much time to be able to get more views. So optimizing your video, optimize your title, optimize your keyword phrase, optimize everything about your video. Make sure your video is well optimized for YouTube to know what your video is all about, and just for you to be able to be successful on YouTube, just make sure your video is well optimized. And the fourth one is going to be pattern interruption. Pattern interrupts means make something new on your videos. And what I mean is, like, make sure that, like, when you're making your video, when you're saying something, try to put some words on your, like, in your video, like people to know what you're talking about, or like trying to spicing things up, like try to add something to make your video look more different. Your background music, just doing something new in each of your video. Don't make your video to be for boring, because no one wants to watch a boring video. They want to watch a video that is engaging, that is more like asking your viewers question. Is also where you can, like, do a pattern interruption. Like, just make sure that your video is more engaging, more like fun to watch, like putting like things in like around your video, making background music. There's different way you can do pattern interruption, but at the end of the day, it's just you trying to spice things up, trying to make your video better, trying to make things different. Don't make it look like every time they come to see the same thing, no, the background is not different, there's no words in that. So trying to do something new to make your video, like, very important. I think it's very important. Like, imagine if you watch your the topic you're talking about, but the video is very popular, but they don't really have words in their video, they were just saying it out. What you can do is to make sure that your video is even more better by putting what you're saying in around your video, where people can see what you're saying and you're also saying it. It just helps you so much because people will like your video and they watch it. And the last one is going to be outline your video. Outlining your video, I think, is very, very, very important, and that helps you to be on point. That makes you not to rambling or get off topic. So that really helps you stay focused and remain focused on your video, which is something I need to also work on. Also trying to outline my videos, make sure that I have everything. Even though before I make video for you guys, I make sure that I do all my research. I make sure that I make sure that my video is well put together, but at the same time, it's good to really optimize your video. Optimizing your video and just, like, make sure that your video is well outlined. So outlining your video, make sure you have everything, like your first point, your second point, your third point, what you want to talk about, and putting them in, like, number 1, number 2, number 3, and make sure you're saying the right thing. Make sure you're using all the keyword phrase you want to use. Make sure you are explaining each point very well. I think it's very important. So outlining your video, I think, is a very good way to also get views on YouTube, because your video look well organized, it look like you know what you're doing, it look like you put more, like you actually studied, and you make sure you're delivering your best video out there. So outlining your video, I think, is very important. I need to work on that also, but I can tell you guys, if you outline your video and you make sure that you're always on point, I think at the end of the day, you're going to get more views on YouTube. Not only views, you're going to get subscribers. People are going to watch your video for so long, and you're going to also get watch time, which is very important. So these are 5 ways on how to get more views on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if there's any other video you guys love to see me do, please comment below, and I'll be very, very happy and glad to make those videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate that, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.